அதனால ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபார்மோஸ்ட்
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Sufi Rumi.
Sufi Rumi is the person or what?
Yeah. Make
Okay.
him the Sufi Room करके उनका है.
Let me make him co-host. Yes, sir. I made him the co-host.
Yeah.
His video is not working.
Yes, my video is not working. Hello.
Yes, sir.
My video is not working. Could you help me, someone?
Sir, are you logging from your phone
Laptop.
or laptop?
I'm connected from my laptop only.
Laptop only. Can you see down below start video?
Yes, there it. When I clicked it, it's mentioned over there. Zoom is unable to detect a camera.
Okay. We need to check why is it so.
Make sure that camera is powered on and it's connected to your computer. Because in morning I have connected so many people.
Do one thing. You just close the Zoom meeting and then you again connect it. Try once. If you are able to, switch off the computer and switch it on again.
Okay, wait a while.
Yeah.
Yes, whether the problem is resolved.
Sir, I have asked him to just switch off the computer, laptop, and then again switch it on. So we need to wait until he joins.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है राहुल.
नॉट वे यार. एक तो टीचर्स को रेस्ट को देते नहीं और एक हफ्ते का रेस्ट उसमें भी 50 काम.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. मेरे से क्या हुआ, म्यूट हो गए थे, अनम्यूट हो गए थे सब.
हाँ, नहीं मैंने कर दिया उसको.
कर दे.
हाँ.
आ गए, ज्वाइन हो रहे क्या वो?
नहीं सर, अभी तक तो नहीं. Just waiting for him. Got some problem with his laptop, I guess.
टाइम हो गया है ना 4
ओके सर, एक्सटेंड कर लेंगे, नॉट एन इश्यू।
नहीं, बात वो नहीं है।
हाँ हाँ
स्टार्ट ऑन टाइम, एंडिंग थोड़ा बहुत चल जाएगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
नहीं तो टाइम का वैल्यू,
थोड़ा उनका टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम है, लेट्स सी।
आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड।
If we are not able to even see him, at least we can hear him, and if he can share his PowerPoint presentation, then also it's okay.
Yeah, true. Yes, Supi. अरे
Hello.
Yes, sir.
नहीं,
Sir, still your video is not.
I think
Yes.
yeah, Sufi, can we go ahead without that?
Is it okay for everyone?
I think
We are able to hear you, sir.
Okay. So
Okay,
I think
screen sharing can be. Yes, sir. Yes, we can see the screen.
okay.
So you
Share
can
your
go ahead, sir. No issue.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Fine.
let me
Shall
wait.
definitely.
Yeah, so welcome to all the participants, dear students, my fellow colleagues, and the professional friends from the pharmaceutical industry who are watching this webinar today from the D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy. My dear friends, D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy was established in 2019, and in very first year, the school has taken many initiatives to establish itself as one of the progressive pharmacy colleges in the state as well as in the country. In this COVID 2019 pandemic situation, we want our students and all the students across the different pharmacy colleges to take certain knowledge from the various experts of the industries, and that's why we have started this webinar series, which was started on 9th of May. We call this webinar series as Knowledge Yagya series, and today is the fourth lecture in this webinar series by Mr. Sufi Ayaz, who is one of the leading consultant in pharmaceutical field, is very young, dynamic leader who has got Six Sigma certification as well. Mr. Rumi is actually a brand manager who has brand strategist who have handled several brands like Shelkal, Kufarest, Sinarest, and many others like brands. He had established his company called as Rumi Consultancy, and he is the trainer of that particular company. He has been roaming across India and has covered so far more than 110 pharmacy colleges where he has delivered his lectures. He is a fantastic trainer as well as a fabulous orator. And I'm sure you all will be delighted to listen his talk today. And the topic of the today's webinar is pharma is a noble profession. As we all know that certainly in this pandemic situation, who has come to the rescue of the mankind, along with doctors, we all pharmacy professionals who are delivering the drugs and helping the patients to come out of this pandemic situation. So, Mr. Sufi Ayaz, I welcome you on behalf of D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy, and over to you now. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm sure everybody is hearing me.
Yeah, yes.
Good evening, one and all. Thank you, Somani sir, who has given me a platform, sharing a wonderful platform to sharing my knowledge and experience with you all people. As today, I have taken a very good and unique topic, that is pharma is a noble profession. One thing I would like to always highlight, that pharmacy is a profession which is always be noble, because it's contribute to the society, it's contribute to the country. So who is he? Who is a pharmacist? When we always define what is pharmacist, apart from it's a friends of God. We always remember pharmacist is a friends of God. And if you are a friends of God, you have two things is always remember in your mind, that nature and culture. The person who is humble profession by nature, and that kind of culture, the DNA, which is the integral and integrity part of their society, ultimately they give the betterment, they give the health to the society. They can be coming out from the various solutions, from the problem, from the diseases, from the illness. So I always say that the hands, pharmacists have two hands, that these hands are the supportive hand of the God, which is not only serving the life of patient, but is also give the friendly so many advices. So we always says, to become a good pharmacist, you always work on two things. First is the nature and the culture. Those who are not having a good nature, not having that kind of humbleness, belongingness, they cannot be close and be belongs to the patients. So my dear friends, we always work it for the nature and the culture, because people always love you, ask you many times from you can say that from the illness part of you, from the person who is having not well, demotivated, negative, suffering from diseases, illness, might be they not have the courtesy to ask the right set of question to you. But being a friend of God, we always be reply in soft and humble manner. So believe me that nature and culture is the great part of our society, and we always work it out for them continuously throughout our entire profession, entire life. Pharmacist is not an ordinary person, my dear friend. When we call it pharmacist, CIS, the meaning of that CIS, we always coordinated care to the patients. We always improve the health of the society, health of the country, health of the nations. And S is always, we always remember the safety of the patients. Safety in terms of whatever we have in our mind, we always deliver in form of safety. If we don't know, we can say no. If we have that, we can form of counseling, we can deliver the right thought, the process, the material, so that my patients can give the right set of advice. So being a pharmacist, care, improving the health and the safety, these three words are always inculcated in the name of pharmacist. So please, we always say that maintain those three words, and because we are not an ordinary person, we serve the society for the betterment of the country. Some character of our professions, as we all that pharmacy is a noble profession, there is a certain rule that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. The first one, every pharmacist has a moral responsibility to share the point which is necessary, required for the health of their society, for the health of their particular diseases. They always be a broad-minded. Broad-minded, we are not having a one segment. Entire body has made up of different systems. So we are work not only for single one systems, we are continuously working from different system, from nervous system to respiratory system to digestive system. So we are always, our thinking perspective is broad minded. We are not thinking on the specific one point. This is the point, this is the solutions, and this is the outcome. We are accelerate our thought in terms of broad minded. Third C is always, we can say that capability, character, and the caliber. When we talk about capability we learn from the colleges, characters come from the family. When we talk about the on-job learning, that is called as caliber. Pharmacist is a profession, is a continuous learning process, either in the job, either in the college, or you can say that in the society. So we continuously develop the pharmacists throughout the develop their capability, the characters, and the caliber. We always develop the dedications towards to innovate the drug, to serving from society, serving the betterment for the development of molecules first, to produce from productions, to market from marketing team. And always we are dedicated to help our patients in that manner that my patient can get maximum outcome, maximum clinical outcome with the help of our medicines, with the help of doctors. We are having a dedicated from morning to evening. We are continuously working throughout, in and out, round around from the medicines. So that develop dedications means that dedication is towards the working. It's always ever-growing professions. Nowadays that COVID everywhere is been spreading. Pharmacist is the only profession people are respect. Our healthcare professions, the demand of medicines is continuously increasing. The demand of you can say that the increases number of diseases are continuously growing. I can say that it's a vertical movement, it's not a horizontal movement. So that if the demand of medicines is increases, but nature, our responsibility would be double, not a single. We are working day in day out, followed by we are helping to all kind of patients who is having problem, having a disease, and any kind of problem which is having a problem throughout their profession, throughout their life, wherever they are stuck. We are helping them to be coming from the quality of life. We follow work ethics. This is the very important point, that wherever we are working, we always follow the guideline, PCI guideline, MCI guideline, FSSAI guideline. There are so many guidelines we are working, and we follow that guideline so that we minimizes the error and maximizes the production, maximizes our productivity, I mean to say. For that is, we can say that getting knowledge and skills, the most important part. Many times it's a continuously innovation is going on in the science. Pharmacy is a kind of science. It's continuously growing, upbringing of their point. So we getting the knowledge from the society, first point. And that knowledge we imparted in terms of experiences, that whatever we learn, we impart in giving certain advices by counseling, so that my patients, my people, my co-workers can get maximum advantage, because we cannot compromise with the life of anybody. We can deliver the right talk, followed by we working for their people development. We are working for their coming out and cope up from their illness. We produce good quality medicines. So we always learn how we do the things in better way, better form, and always we are the helping hand, helping patients. So these are the common, we can say that in just brief, these are the character of our noble profession. I am sure that whoever want to become a pharmacist, this kind of formula are really helpful for them, and I am sure you are always be inculcating. Just we develop and multiply and spreading into the society. Pharmacies, the basic definition: punctuality, humanity, adaptability, reliability, morality, coordinated not only between you, but entire your people, entire team, entire society. Integrity plays a very significant role. अगर आप ईमानदार हैं, तो आप ईमानदारी से अपना हर काम करेंगे, चाहे आप घर में रहें, चाहे शॉप में रहें, चाहे R&D में रहें, चाहे मार्केटिंग में काम कर रहे हैं, चाहे आप एकेडमिक्स में हैं. The integrity plays a significant role. This is a part of our character, and pharmacist plays a significant role. Sincerity and trustworthiness. The most important T of our pharmacist, trustworthiness. अगर trust होगा तो आप medicines लेंगे, वो medicines के बारे में proper information patient को भी देंगे. उस trust से आपकी professional terms अच्छे होते हैं. This is all about the basic meaning of that pharmacist. I can say that the desire to dream, having a proper discipline, dedication to your work, and devotion towards giving 100% results. This is all about the meaning of definition. As you know that pharmacies, D Pharma, B Pharma, M Pharma, PharmD, 2 years, 4 years, 4 years, and 6 years. Everybody knows. I'm sure that many people are knowing about this. Why I'm saying this? कुछ लोगों को पता नहीं है फार्मासिस्ट 2 साल का है कि 3 साल का है, टेक्निकल है कि नॉन टेक्निकल है. सो व्हेन यू एक्सप्रेस दैट फार्मेसी इज अ टेक्निकल कोर्स, B Pharma it's a almost 4 years course, diploma is almost 2 years course. So people should know this is a 4-year course and it's a belongs from the technical background. The most important point, what is pharmacy? What do you identify about pharmacy? If you think this is very important, if you are a student, the first question of the interview, what you learn into pharmacy? What do you mean by pharmacy? The most important meaning of pharmacy is STP. It's a science and technique, dispensing and preparation of medicines, my dear friend. When we talk about science and technique, STP, science and technique, dispensing and preparation of medicines. Always 3 words you remember. Science, it means continuously growing. Technique means a lot of technologies involved. Preparing and dispensing of medication. Our job is to prepare and dispense a medicine to the right hand from our right production, so that to maintain the quality and giving the right hand. What is pharmacy? Pharmacy, before entering to the pharmacy, एक दवा दुकान जहाँ बहुत सारी दवाइयाँ मिलती है. So meaning of that, the science and technology for dispensing and preparation of medicines. So what we do into that pharmacy, we imparting knowledge by helping the counseling, giving instruction to the patients about understanding about the prescriptions, when you use, how you use, what kind of medicines are required, and the most important part, for the betterment of the society, betterment of the patient. This is our integral responsibility that every pharmacist should know. आप मेडिसिन शॉप खोले या ना खोले, जिस दिन से आप बी फार्मा में एडमिशन लिए हैं, उस दिन से आपके नेबर्स आपसे ये पूछते हैं, यार डॉक्टर ने ये मेडिसिन लिया है, व्हाट इज द यूज, कब लेना है, कैसे लेना है, क्यों लेना है. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ ट्रस्ट and respect you are getting from the society. So being a pharmacy is our moral responsibility. What you impart, your knowledge, information, please carry the right information so that you cannot misguide your relatives, neighbors, and your near and dears. So this is all about the pharmacy, STP, science and technique, dispensing and preparation of medicine. The first interview question. Second, so what do you mean by medicines? Medicines means what? DTP. It's used for the diagnosis purpose, it's used for the treatment purpose, and it's prevent from the illness. This is most important point. What do you mean by medicines? एक दवा, छोटी सी दवा जिसको खाने के बाद मेरा पेट दर्द अच्छा होता है, फीवर अच्छा हो जाता है. So we always remember what it used for. It is used for the diagnosis, treatment and prevention purpose. The role of pharmacist is the most important difference between pharmacist and the doctor. Pharmacist to formulate the drug, doctor to prescribe the medicines. So we formulate the drug, the one point. Second, we give medicines to the patients. So we should know what you deliver, how you deliver, what kind of delivery is required. So pharmacist is all about this. So pharmacy, STP, science and technique, dispensing and preparation of medicines. When we talk about medicines, it's DTP, diagnosis, treatment and prevention of sickness. The most important part, pharmacist and the doctor. You know, pharmacist, we always say the pharmacist is the backbone of our medical profession. Very much important, and it's very much important because we always integrated between the patients and the doctor. We are into the center point, we are communicated to the doctors, we can get the prescription from the doctor, first point, and we can give medicines with the help of our knowledge, with the help of our profession. We can give and hand over medicines to the patients. So the most important, that interaction plays a very significant role. If you are not having the interactive behavior, if you are not having an interactive behavior, your patient cannot get clarity about the medicines, because you are the professional pharmacist which knows do's and don'ts about the medicines. So that entire aspect about the medicines, you are the person who can give the entire informations. If you are not having a knowledge, how you interact, how you develop that professional relationship. So that kind of relationship, if you really want to develop, my dear friend, you are really work hard to get the more things, and you definitely become the backbone of our medical professions and being a proud of pharmacist. The one important questions, many time I ask to my people, my friends, my student, why do you choose pharmacy? ऐसा तो नहीं कहीं आके यहाँ फंस गए फार्मेसी करने के लिए. Many people, many students will hear, I want to do MBBS, I want to become a doctor, but somehow now मैं यहाँ आ गया. It's not my choice, but it's my chance. By default, I can come here because मैं MBBS crack नहीं कर पाया. Might be I'm not entering into Ayurvedic college, not get entering into homeopathic colleges, not get opportunity to crack IIT, IIMs. So many questions. So मैं हमेशा पूछता हूँ कि why do you choose pharmacy? अगर this is an important question for the interview perspective as well. Why do you choose pharmacy? If somebody asks you why do you choose pharmacy, अब मैं कर रहा हूँ pharmacy कर रहा हूँ, तो there is a certain ideal answer which I can like to share with you, that from my since childhood I have a curiosity about what? About medicines. Whenever I am suffering from fever, whenever I am suffering from stomach ache, small colorful pills can get the relief within 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. So that kind of curiosity can trigger me to be the part of pharmacy profession. And second, passion about what? अगर मुझको एक small गोली से मुझको फायदा हो सकता है, so it's my passion. If I develop and produce that kind of medicines, why not I can spreading that benefit to entire society and nation. So that curiosity and passion can help me to be the part of that noble profession, to be the part of pharmacy. I am sure that my answer is clear, that why do you choose pharmacy? Curiosity and the passion. अगर ये चीजें किसी को लगता है कि मैं फार्मेसी में आके फंस गया, कोई है जो मेरा सुन रहा है ये बात? एनीबडी? अगर आपको लगता होगा कि मैं फार्मेसी में आके फंस गया, तो उसके लिए एक आंसर है. आंसर ये है, whenever you are suffering from sick, illness, any kind of disease, my dear friend, don't take medicines, because medicines is, you can say that, produced by pharmacists, it made by pharmacists. So जब भी बीमार होगो मत खाना, because you don't like the profession. If you don't like the profession, don't take it medicines, my dear friend. If you really feel proud because these medicines खाने से मैं अच्छा हो रहा हूँ, तो I can say that indulge many things you learn because of your curiosity, because of your passions, and spreading all the good things to your people, so that not only you but the entire society can get maximum benefit, and you should also feel proud. The most important, Indian pharmaceutical, how big it is in India. You know, more than 1 lakh crore market, Indian pharmaceutical market, as per the Jan 2020, more than 1 lakh crore market. It is always growing by double digit. When we talk about the entire globe and the world, Indian pharmaceutical market is holding 3rd rank in API. It's 3rd rank in API in global generics by volume. And the most important part, China, US, and India. These are the top 3 countries where the ranking. India is holding 3rd position in global API generic. When we talk about in India, people will ask you how big pharma marketing is. Do you know about? Yes, pharma market, the size of the pharmaceutical market, Indian pharmaceutical market is more than 1 lakh crore, and it is always growing by the double digit. This is the most important point. We should understand it. Reason to become a pharmacist. Why you want to become a pharmacist? There are 3 points: growth, opportunity, and stability. I can quote one example. These are the 3 points. Reason to become a pharmacist. क्यों मैं pharmacist बनना चाहता हूँ? Growth. When we talk about growth, increase number of population, increase number of diseases, increase number of different aspect, different research innovations are coming. When we talk about opportunity, I will elaborate into upcoming slides. Stability. This is the only market. Pharmacy is the only market where market is highly stable. It cannot be, you can say that कि example के लिए लेते हैं growth and stability का. Once any patient can started the medicine of cardiac, cannot stop. जब तक BP रहेगा, जब तक CVS रहेगा, peripheral disorders रहेगा, तब तक वो medicines खाता रहेगा. Anybody of your family member start medicine of diabetic, shall they stop medicines? No. Whenever their life is there, they can continue to take the medicines of insulin, anti-diabetic drugs. Continuously they are taking the medicines because they cannot stop the medicines. For surviving and improving the quality of health, they can take the medicines. This is example of stability. कहते हैं ना कि pharma market evergreen market है, my dear friend. कभी बंद नहीं होगा, गिरेगा नहीं, हमेशा स्टेबल रहेगा. इसका रीजन यही है, because of stability and the growth. When we talk about growth, every time market is growing, it cannot stop. Second example देता हूँ growth का. Stability की तो जो लेगा हमेशा जिंदगी भर लेता रहेगा, chronic segment करते, cannot stop. Either it's osteoporosis, diabetic, hypertension, so many diseases. Growth का example लेते हैं. हम छोटे थे, बुखार होता था, क्रोसिन खाते थे. आज भी whenever I am suffering from fever, I used to take क्रोसिन only. जब छोटा था, हाथ कटता था, I used to take Dettol. I cannot stop डिटॉल. जब भी लगता था डिटॉल से मैंने क्लीन करता था. जलता था, बर्नॉल लगाता था. पेट में जलन होती है, इनो खाता हूं. पेट में जलन होती है, जेलोसिल खाता हूं. पहले भी खाता था 20 इयर्स तक, अभी भी मैं खाता हूं. It means what? The growth is continuously because of patient base. This is the only market which we can say that the patient base is there, whereas the other market is not like that. Example के लिए आपके पास आज जो मोबाइल है माइट बी सैमसंग का होगा, ये खराब अगर होता है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या आप सेम यही मोबाइल लेंगे? नो. मेजॉरिटी सेज 95% to 98% सेज कि अगर ये मेरा मोबाइल खराब हो जाता है मैं ये मोबाइल अगली बार नहीं लूंगा, एडवांस वर्जन का लूंगा. सेकंड एग्जांपल, मैं आज जो कपड़ा खरीदा हूं जींस ब्लैक कलर का, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं क्या सेम कलर का खरीदूंगा? नो. अलग फैशन का खरीदेंगे, अलग थ्रेड का खरीदेंगे, अलग कंफर्टेबिलिटी का खरीदेंगे, माइट बी यू चेंज द कलर एज वेल. सो टेक्सटाइल मार्केट देख लीजिए, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कोई भी मार्केट देख लीजिए, एक प्रोडक्ट को वापरने के बाद आप दोबारा वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं लेंगे. यूजुअली व्हाट यू डू, यू कैन चेंज द ब्रांड, यू चेंज द मॉडल, बट फार्मेसी में ऐसा नहीं है. आपको मैं बोलूंगा बुखार आया क्रोसिन लीजिए, नेक्स्ट टाइम आप जाएंगे मेडिसिन दुकान और मैं क्रोसिन की जगह कोई प्रोसिन दूंगा, यू रिजेक्टेड. नहीं, आई वांट क्रोसिन ओनली. आपकी मम्मी डायबिटीज की गोली खाती है, अगर मैं बोलूंगा कि डोंट टेक डायबिटिक केयर, ग्लाइकोमेट मत लीजिए, दूसरा ब्रांड लीजिए XYZ, आप बोलेंगे नो आई वांट दैट मेडिसिन. इफ आई रिप्लेस डिटॉल यू कैन नॉट compromise, no, I want that brand. So branding plays a significant role because of patient base and having good experiences. We don't have dared to substitute the brand. So growth, stability and opportunity plays a significant role being a pharmacist. That's why we can say that this is the profession which is, we can say that the evergreen professions. I am sure, proud to say I am a pharmacist. Say, proud to say you are a pharmacist. Business model, when we think that what kind of business model we are following in India, physician, patient and pharmacist. Pharmacist, we are coordinated with the physicians and we can helping to the patients. So physician, pharmacist and patient plays a significant role, and this 3P model are really work very well in India. So many people can say that, do you know about pharma industry? Yes. Question comes, how big pharma industry is? It's more than 1 lakh. First point. Second point, that what kind of model is there? We are producing medicines, doctor is prescribing medicine, patient is purchasing medicines. So physician, pharmacist and patient, these are the 3P model. Every industry follow this 3P model. The most important slides, you can say that. How many therapies are there in India? Why this profession are unique and noble? It is not a monotonous. In India, there are 23 therapies are there. 23 therapies you can say means how many therapies you can say? It's more than 20 therapies are there. Therapies in terms of system, how many systems are there, we can say that. So top to bottom, if you think, say first nervous system, then endocrine system, respiratory system, digestive system, musculoskeletal system, circulatory system, reproductive system, excretory system. There are so many systems are there in body. Body is made up of system. So according to the system, every system is unique. And from top to bottom, you also demonstrate in your home that how many systems are there in our body, top to bottom. One more time, nervous system, endocrine system, respiratory, digestive, musculoskeletal, circulatory system, reproductive system, excretory system, musculoskeletal system. These are the systems in our body. In India, there are more than 20 therapies are there. First. Second thing is, which therapies is bigger? Anti-infective, cardiac, gastrointestinal, anti-diabetic, multivitamin, respiratory, pain and analgesic. If you think this therapy is always holding the top 10 position in India, apart from the other. Last hai, hormonal hai, anti-malarial hai, blood related and other therapies. This therapies, top 10 therapies is very much important. Why it is important? Being a student, आपके लिए क्या important है? मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Suppose you are going for any interview for any company. You always remember this company is having a presence in which system? They're having operating into which therapies? So you should remember these are the top 10 therapies: anti-infective, cardiac, gastrointestinal, diabetic, vitamin, minerals, and you know, anti-infective to 20,000 crore market, cardiac more than 15,000, gastrointestinal more than 15,000 crore market, anti-diabetic approximately 18,000 to 19,000 crore market, multivitamin more than 11,000, respiratory 9,000, pain analgesic 8,000. Volume is like that. So volume भले आप भूल जाएं, लेकिन sequence याद रखना. You can say the antibiotic market is the bigger, followed by cardiac market is bigger, gastrointestinal is bigger. So these are the point where you always remember and think that these are the common therapies. We can say that 20 therapies. You know, these are the top brands and top companies. Which are the top companies? These are, if you see in the screen, these are the top companies, and these all top companies, you can say that holding almost 25 to 35 stake in our country. Why I am saying that? Many times people will ask you, which is your dream company and why? So these are the common dream company which is holding in top 20 position, Sun Pharma, Abbott, and it is there that value is more than 5,000 crore. Sun Pharma is more than 10,000 crore. Abbott is more than 8,000, 6,000. Mankind is almost 5,000. Lupin is. So these are the dream company. Are you having your dream company? If yes, then well and if no, find out why this company is your dream company. People will ask you, जब इंटरव्यू में जाएंगे तो पूछेंगे आपसे, which is your dream company? ऐसे तो हम बताते हैं my dream company is so many, but pharma में which is your dream company and why? Take example of Cipla. Cipla is your dream company. Why? Having a presence of more than last 30 years. First, which are the top brand? कभी भी कंपनी आप पूछते हैं कि which is your dream company? My dear friend, you can always quote and mention that this is your top company. First, their brand. Generally लोगों को पता नहीं रहता है. कंपनी हाँ सुना है मैंने, Cipla is the good company. Which is the top brand? My dear friend, Cipla is the top company, top brand. Asthalin, it is used for asthma. Asthma is a disease of what? It's a respiratory disorder. It's a chronic diseases. Okay. So Asthalin is a top brand. So जब भी कभी आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं तो आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकते हैं. Yes, I love Cipla. They can say that why you love Cipla? Because my grandmother, parents, कोई ना कोई आपके relatives देता होगा कुछ medicines, तो आप बोल सकते हैं my parents and my grandparents are experience the brand called as Asthalin, and that Asthalin give the very good results. Example के लिए लेते हैं GSK. GSK common more than 4,000 crore. Example के लिए why do you like GSK? अगर आप मेरे को बोलते हैं या मुझसे अगर ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं which company is your dream company, मैं बोलूंगा GSK is my dream company. बोलेगा why GSK is a dream company? Since my childhood I've experienced the brand called as Crocin, and whenever I use and consume the brand Crocin, the result which I am getting, wow, immediately I get results. So I love to be associated with the GSK. If I'm consuming that brand is in my blood. If you given me an opportunity under your leadership, I can prove myself that I would be the loyal employee under your leadership. So this Cipla, GSK, I see so many brands, your experiences, Alkem, Sun Pharma, Pantoprazole, Domperidone. Why do you join Sun Pharma? Sun Pharma is your dream company? Because the quality medicine which they are producing, and I am experiencing Pantoprazole, Domperidone. So this kind of brand, you can say that Pantodec, these are the top brand I'm using, consuming whenever I'm suffering from acidity, I'm getting a result. So I'm having confidence. If I associate with us, I can definitely help them to make the company growing by double digit, and I can also contribute my knowledge so that we together make and achieve our aspirational dream of our Sun Pharma. So these are the common player. So आप लोगों के लिए homework है. Identify your dream company, their product, so that we together make and achieve that आप अपने सपनों को साकार करें और आगे बढ़ें. टॉप ब्रांड्स, ऐसे तो मैं बहुत लोगों से पूछता हूँ विच इज योर टॉप ब्रांड. बॉयज से पूछता हूँ विच इज योर टॉप ब्रांड बाइक, तो कोई बोलता है पल्सर है, कावासाकी है, सुजुकी है. गर्ल से पूछते हैं विच इज योर टॉप ब्रांड, तो फिर लैक्मे है, फिर नाइका है. देयर आर सो मेनी ब्रांड. फॉर यू विच इज योर टॉप ब्रांड, विच इज योर फेवरेट ब्रांड? आई कैन से ये ऑलवेज इंटरव्यू में पूछा था विच इज योर फेवरेट ब्रांड. You can say that my favorite brand is Electrol. Whenever I am suffering from dehydration, I used to consume Electrol. Second, which is your favorite brand? You can say that my favorite brand is Shelcal. Shelcal, what is Shelcal? Shelcal is used during the pregnancy and lactation. It's a calcium supplement, calcium carbonate, 2005 milligram of calcium carbonate, elemental 500 milligram. So whenever I am having a fracture, whenever I am suffering from bone disorder, I have experienced it. So Shelcal is the top brand. So are you having a top brand? Are you having a favorite brand in your list? If no, my dear friend, please note it down on your diary. Identify which is your favorite brand and why. Like Shelcal is my favorite brand because they give the desired success rate, desired results. Whenever you are into illness part, you can get the results and you can coming out from that Shelcal. So this is the point which I can say that the Shelcal, Electrol, I'm sure Bikasul, it's a brand of Pfizer. Everybody is using and consuming since the childhood. बचपने से हम लोग खा रहे हैं. So why don't you think, why should you don't quote that Bikasul is your favorite brand, Zincovit is your favorite brand, Leaf 52 is your favorite brand. So identify the brand, use it, explore it, so that it helps you to crack the interview. This is an important point. In India, when we talk about segmentation, which market is bigger, acute or chronic? When we talk, हमेशा मैं पूछता हूँ, which is the bigger market? 1 lakh crore India का market का size है. Which market is bigger, acute or chronic? Many people say that, sir, acute बड़ा है. कोई बोलता है क्रोनिक बड़ा है. फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन 1 लाख करोड़ में 60 to 70% मार्केट है एक्यूट का. ग्रोथ रेट ज्यादा है क्रोनिक का. इट मींस व्हाट? 1 लाख करोड़ में 70% जो मार्केट है वो एक्यूट है, क्रोनिक 30% है, बट ग्रोथ रेट क्रोनिक का ज्यादा है. सो मार्केट को अगर आप डिवाइड करते हैं इंडियन फार्मास्यूटिकल मार्केट को, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर देयर आर 2 सेगमेंट, एक्यूट जो शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए रहता है, क्रोनिक जो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए रहता है. In India, acute market is 70% dominant to the chronic market, whereas the growth rate is chronic is high compared to the acute. And हम लोग सबने को पता है कि chronic market जो है growth rate उसकी ज्यादा है, because once you started you cannot medicines. Acute कैसा? आज मेरे को सर्दी खांसी हुई है, मैंने medicines खाया, I can get a relief. 3 दिन खाऊंगा, बंद कर दूंगा. Chronic ऐसा नहीं है. Once you started a medicine of diabetic, thyroid, you should continuously taking throughout your life. So my dear friend, in India, there are 2 type of market, acute segment and the chronic segment. So chronic, the market is growing by double digit. When we talk about acute, it's always growing by single digits. These are the 2 segments I am categorized. The most important slide, you can say that it's climax of my presentations, that what are the different opportunities into Indian pharmaceutical market. Noble profession तो है, ये तो सबको पता है because evergreen है. What are the common opportunity? My dear friends, when we talk about the opportunity, there is one word we call as Spectrum. Can you repeat it for me? Spectrum. Spectrum is all about production, entrepreneurship, teaching, research, sales and marketing. G for government job, H for higher study. Abhi many people think कि क्या opportunities है pharma में? There are ample of opportunities. There are huge opportunity into pharmaceutical market. When we talk about production, what kind of skills are required? Example के लिए, अगर I want to become a good production officer, plant में मैं जाना चाहता हूँ, the most important part, you should be very good in documentation. Which subject are useful for you? Pharmaceutics are the major subjects because you're dealing with the formulation, you're dealing with the documentations, you're dealing with the analytical skills. So pharmaceutics subject is the major subject. Costing की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, इंटरव्यू पूछेगा ये आपका टैबलेट है, एग्जांपल लेते हैं अपन, क्रोसिन लेते हैं, क्रोसिन का टैबलेट है, बनता है कैसे, व्हाट इज द एसओपी ऑफ क्रोसिन. सो स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक दे आस्क द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द इंग्रेडिएंट यू आर यूजिंग, व्हाट आर द मशीन्स यू आर यूजिंग. एक क्रोसिन है 15 डेज में बन, अगर सपोज करिए 1000 टैबलेट है और वो 1000 टैबलेट 3 दिन में बन रहा है, मतलब एक दिन का प्रोडक्शन है. मोटा मोटा एग्जांपल लेते हैं, 1000 टैबलेट जो है क्रोसिन का बनता है, तो वो पूछेंगे आपसे कि सपोज क्रोसिन है एंड पर डे प्रोडक्शन इज 5000 and I have a requirement of 15,000. How much days required to get 15,000? Tell me. तो आप फट से क्या बोलेंगे? कोई बोलेगा 2 दिन में करेंगे, 3 दिन में करेंगे, 4 दिन में करेंगे. If you think एक दिन का प्रोडक्शन, एक दिन का मोटा मोटी आप देखते हैं कि 500 का प्रोडक्शन है, सॉरी 500 का प्रोडक्शन है, 2 दिन का प्रोडक्शन है 1000 का, तो पीपल विल से अगर मेरे को 1000 का प्रोडक्शन करना है, सो सर 2 दिन में हम लोग प्रोड्यूस कर लेंगे. प्रोडक्शन ऑफिसर से कि सर 2 दिन में प्रोडक्शन होगा, 1 दिन पैकेजिंग होगी, 1 दिन क्वालिटी कंट्रोल का टेस्ट होगा, 1 दिन डॉक्यूमेंटेशन लगेगा, 1 दिन रिव्यू होगा, 1 दिन हम लोग स्पेयर रखेंगे, छुट्टी है, कहीं शटडाउन होती है, मशीन का मेंटेनेंस है. सो एटलीस्ट फॉर 1000 टैबलेट इफ यू थिंक एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 days are required to produce क्रोसिन. So costing, analytical, discipline and documentation, these 4 skills are very much important. और भी बहुत स्किल्स है. These are the major skills which I found from the people those who are working into the production. So जब आप इंटरव्यू के लिए आते हैं, they ask such kind of questions, documentations. So what is the importance of SOP according to you? Because in production that SOP plays a significant role. If you are not maintaining the documentations, how you can implement into that company after getting a job over there? सेकेंड पॉइंट, कॉलेज में है, हम अपना प्रैक्टिकल तो कॉलेज लैब में करते ही नहीं है, हम अपना प्रैक्टिकल, कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो रीडिंग्स लिखते हैं, घर में जाके अपना प्रैक्टिकल नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं, which is not appropriate. Lab work is complete in lab only. This is the rule of documentations and it should be clear, concise, no error. So this is the major skills. Opportunity की बात करते हैं, there are so many opportunities are there. There are more than 20,000 pharmaceutical plant are there across country. West India is the major one. Ahmedabad, Bombay, Chandigarh, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. These are the common places. So कहां पर अपॉर्चुनिटी है प्रोडक्शन के, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, ड्रग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, बल्क एपीआई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट में, एक्सीपिएंट में, हर्बल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. दिस आर द स्कोप. इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू go into the production team, first develop that skills, that analytical documentations, importance of SOP, tablet कैसे बनती है, capsule कैसे बनती है, injections कैसे बनती है. Go read SOP. I am sure that would be helpful for you. If you think for entrepreneurship plays a significant role, means business. So many things, either you start करिए अपना shop, wholesale, C&F, industry, consultancy, lab, so many business are there in entrepreneurship, and multiple opportunities are there. If you really want to think to become an entrepreneurship, what kind of skills are required? You should be a risk taker. पहली चीज, if you really want to become an entrepreneurship, are you ready with business plan? If you have the business, what do you mean by business plan? एक लाइन में मैंने 10 लाख रुपए डाला, 10 लाख रुपए मेरे को रिटर्न्स कब से आना चालू करेंगे? When I get the break even point, 10 लाख से रिटर्न मेरे को कब आना चालू करेंगे? सो पहला 3 साल 1000 डे, द बिजनेस रूल कि 1000 डे में नहीं आएंगे, 1000 डेज के बाद आना चालू होंगे. सो मेरे को बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, अगर शॉप चालू करना है तो मेरे को खर्चे कितने होंगे? शॉप स्टार्ट करने के लिए, केमिस्ट शॉप स्टार्ट करने के लिए मेरे को क्या लाइसेंस लेगा? तो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, फ्रिज का खर्चा, लेआउटिंग का खर्चा, शॉप का खर्चा, 2 लोग रखेंगे उसका खर्चा, पीसी का खर्चा, कैमरे का खर्चा, फॉलोड बाय अदर फॉर्मेलिटीज, इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट का खर्चा, इंटीरियर खर्चा. तो टोटल खर्चा मेरा 10 लाख के टू स्टॉप माय फार्मेसी शॉप. अगर मैं फार्मेसी शॉप चालू करता हूं तो 10 लाख रुपए का मेरा खर्चा है. सो रिटर्न्स कब आएंगे? सो उसके लिए आपको बिजनेस प्लान तैयार करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू रियली वांट टू बिकम एंटरप्रेन्योर इन योर फ्यूचर, मेक अ बिजनेस प्लान. उसमें आपको कवर करना पड़ेगा रिस्क बियरिंग कैपेसिटी की, कितना आपकी रिस्क है, कितना पैसा लगा सकते हैं, कब से रिटर्न आएगा. यू शुड बी ईगल आई. इट मींस व्हाट? ईगल आई मींस व्हाट? दैट 3 साल बाद बिजनेस ऐसा होगा. यू शुड बी वेरी गुड फोरकास्टिंग स्किल्स. यू शुड बी वेरी गुड कम्युनिकेटर बिटवीन यू एंड योर क्लाइंट, you between your customer, you between your third party people, between you and between vendor, so and internal team members, so that you should be a very good communicator. अगर आप बोलते हैं नहीं यार मेरे को बोलना अच्छा नहीं लगता, you learn that skills. Might be you don't like that skills, but you need to be a good communicator, because if you not communicate, how other people can get command from you to achieve the number, achieve the target, achieve the you can say that task. So my dear friend, that communicator is judgment. You should be judged that whether it's go for right or wrong. It means decision making capacity plays a significant role. So these are the common skills. Teaching, the most noble profession, I can say. Whatever I am here into pharma industry, you know what? Because of my teachers, because of my parents, I really applaud. I really glad to say that I am here because of my faculty members. Because of their help, because of their proper guidance, they are continuously guiding me, and I really say that I really salute my all faculty members, those who are here. Though you are not my faculty, but I can say that because of your profession I am here. So I really appreciate my faculty members, seniors and all my friends. So teaching plays a significant role. अभी teaching में opportunity कितना है? 1 साल से लेके B Pharm के बीच में, in B Pharma 1 year to final year, mean first year to final year, there are more than 50 subjects including practical, my dear friend. ऐसे देखेंगे 6 into 6 6 into 4 तो 24, और 24 into एक में 5, अगर 4 या 5 प्रैक्टिकल होता है, मोटा मोटा देखेंगे तो 40 to 50 सब्जेक्ट्स होता है. It means what? B Pharma में how many subjects you learn? Approximately 50. Every subject is an opportunity to become a professor, teacher, assistant professor, HOD, principals, head of the department. So every subject is an opportunity. So there are 50 opportunity. Teaching plays a significant role. So इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. अगर सपोज कर आई वांट टू बिकम ए सुटिक्स का प्रोफेसर बनना चाहता हूँ, और भी उसमें नैनोस्यूटिकल्स है, फार्मास्यूटिकल्स है, फिर उसमें फसाई है. देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट निश सब्जेक्ट्स आर आल्सो देयर. सो टीचिंग में स्कोप मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. स्कोप जो नीचे लिखा हुआ है, देयर आर 30 सब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर. स्किल्स क्या रिक्वायर्ड है? इफ यू रियली वांट टू बिकम ए प्रोफेसर, व्हाट स्किल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? यू शुड बी सिंसियर, यू शुड बी नॉलेजेबल. ऐसा नहीं कि सर मेरे को तो सुटिक्स नहीं आता तो मैं नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा, मेरे को कोग्निस ही आता है, आई एम ओनली ए कोग्नोसी टीचर. नो, you should be a jack of all, you can say that you should learn all the subjects basic, so that you communicate with your student so fluently that your student can get an idea that this subject, this point is important, and this point is related to my exam, this point is related to my examination, is used for my future as well. So knowledge plays a significant role. Communication, आप प्रेजेंटेशन के मोड में अगर बता रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिकल के मोड में बता रहे हैं, या फिर वॉट एवर द वे यू आर यूजिंग, you should be good in communication, so that your thought can transform from your mind to your student mind. Good presentation skills, multitasking. कभी कभी क्या होता है, कभी कभी नहीं, हर बार होता है. I can understood that फैकल्टी जो होते हैं ऑफिस का काम भी करते हैं बहुत ज्यादा, पढ़ाते भी हैं, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वर्क भी है, सब्जेक्ट भी आता है, तो मैं बोलूंगा स्कैरिसिटी ऑफ टाइम इज द कॉमन लूप होल्स. I can say that it's not a common hole. Scarcity of time. If you really want to overcome from the scarcity of time, please plan and schedule. If you schedule, you do it. If you're not scheduled, if you're not make it. So if I want to become a professor, I should be multitasking and I can schedule, prioritize my work so that I can achieve the things on right time, right place, on right way. These are the things. Research. Many people want to become a scientist. Yes, nowadays everybody can reform our health sectors, and R&D sectors plays a significant role. As you know that COVID, everybody is suffering, entire world get impacted, economy get impacted. Now what we think, we are waiting for the vaccine, aa jaye, chahe Japan laye, chahe India laye, chahe China laye, chahe US laye, everybody is waiting for China so that we are overcome from this deadly diseases, deadly virus. So research plays a significant role. This is a classical example. The era is going on. So what is required if you really want to become a scientist? You really want to become in R&D, research and development led, you are very good in analytical skills. ऐसा नहीं तो वैसा होगा, वैसा नहीं तो ऐसा. It means what? 3D dimensions. Your mind should be 3D dimension. Monotonous नहीं होना चाहिए. First, you should be a very good dedications. If you have a dedication, discipline, determination, my dear friend, you are the person who can. We need you. I can say that our society need you. If you are a dedication का मतलब क्या है? एक जगह पे एक चीज को 50 बार अलग अलग तरीके से करना और आपको बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए. If you are faith, this is the, you can say that this is the reality of research. People are working one thing at different angle, 3D approach होना चाहिए, and you should be disciplined. You cannot be things manipulate. You should be disciplined because your time be involved है, money be involved है, and everybody is involved into his entire team is involved, organization is involved. So dedication, discipline, good in analytical skills and the patience. जैसे मैंने कहा कि एक चीजों को बार बार करना पड़ता है, कभी आपको बुरा लगेगा, कभी अच्छा लगेगा. Might be your patience plays a significant role. So I wish that everybody want to become scientists so that we all can get the benefit with the help of your research molecule. And I wish everybody should become a, जो जाना चाहता है रिसर्च में जल्दी जाए और R&D में अपना कैरियर बनाए, क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स में बनाए, PDL में बनाए, मेडिकल टीम में बनाए. एंड द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट, इंडिया में R&D को FND भी बोला जाता है, फॉर्मुलेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट. उसमें फार्मास्यूटिक्स प्लेज ए सिग्निफिकेंट रोल. अगर FND में जाना चाहते हैं, R&D में और भी डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं, फार्माकोलॉजी के होते हैं, कोग्नोसी के होते हैं, QA/QC के होते हैं, एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंट इंपॉर्टेंट, एवरी सब्जेक्ट इज यूनिक, एवरी सब्जेक्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि एक ही सब्जेक्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज FND में जाना चाहते हैं, फॉर्मुलेशन प्लेज ए सिग्निफिकेंट, दैट इज सुटिक्स. Last but not least, that is M, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग में. ऐसा देखा गया है, सब बोलते हैं कि मेरे को मार्केटिंग में नहीं जाना है, बट आफ्टर बी फार्मा 80% पीपल जॉइन सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. 1000 मील ऑफ जर्नी स्टार्ट विद अ सिंगल स्टेप. एंड यू नो व्हाट, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग की अगर बात करते हैं, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग में जो स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड है माय डियर फ्रेंड, यू शुड बी वेरी गुड इन कम्युनिकेशन, you should be very good in creativity, and the most important, good in presentation. You should be very good in interpersonal skills. What do you mean by interpersonal skills? मैं सेल्स में हूँ, मेरी इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स ये होती है कि मैं अपने कस्टमर को नाम से जानूं, उसकी लाइकिंग डिसलाइकिंग मेरे को पता होना चाहिए. आई शुड प्रेजेंट my product in very creative manner, innovative manner, so that my customer can impress and uses, consumes my product. प्रोडक्ट कौन सा हो सकता है? फार्मा में मेडिसिन हो सकता है. मेरे कस्टमर कौन हो सकता है? डॉक्टर हो सकते हैं. सो सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग प्लेज अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल. एंड सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग के जो स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड है, यू शुड बी वेरी गुड इन कम्युनिकेटर, क्रिएटिविटी, वेरी गुड इन प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स, यू आर वेरी गुड इन इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स. सो सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग प्लेज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. इसका डिजिग्नेशन कैसे होता है? स्टार्ट विथ मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, फिर एरिया मैनेजर, रीजनल मैनेजर, जोनल मैनेजर, सेल्स मैनेजर, जनरल मैनेजर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, प्रेसिडेंट, CFO, CEO, followed by board member. If you think so, these are the hierarchy. यहाँ तक जाने के लिए 25 years लगते हैं, 20, 25, 30 years तक लगते हैं. Once you enter into the field profession, पहले अपने हेडक्वार्टर में रहेंगे, फिर रीजन में रहेंगे, फिर जोन में रहेंगे, फिर नेशनल संभालेंगे, फिर प्रोडक्ट संभालेंगे, फिर एक डिवीजन संभालेंगे, फिर 2 डिवीजन संभालेंगे. So these are the hierarchy सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग की. पैसा अच्छा है, इंसेंटिव्स अच्छे बनते हैं, मेहनत भी है और उसमें कहीं डिफिकल्टीज भी है. सो इट्स डिपेंड ऑन द पर्सन टू पर्सन. फॉर इन दिस स्पेक्ट्रम मॉडल, क्वेश्चन टू यू ऑल, दैट आर यू थिंक दैट वेयर यू आर फिट इनटू विच बॉक्स? स्पेक्ट्रम में प्लीज मेक इट नोट दैट, मेक इट डेवलप दैट स्किल्स. एक लास्ट होता है गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स. Many people think that ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर बनना है, फूड इंस्पेक्टर बनना है. इसके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल्स क्या रिक्वायर्ड है? 2 things. First, jurisprudence subject. If you really want to enter into the drug inspector, jurisprudence, Second, the most important point, integrity. What is your intention to join drug inspector? अगर आपका इंटेंशंस अच्छे हैं और आपके प्रिपरेशन अच्छे हैं, यूपीएससी के, एमपीएससी के या महाराष्ट्र पीएससी के, एटलीस्ट रिफर करिए विच कॉमन क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड, व्हाट आर द सैंपल पेपर, एग्जाम कब होने वाली है, कब क्लोज होने वाली है. गवर्नमेंट रिस्पेक्टेड जॉब होती है. जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना चाहता है, प्लीज अपनी प्रिपरेशन अच्छी रखें, अपनी इंटेंशंस अच्छे रखें, एंड टाइमली देखें कि कब आने वाला है फॉर्म, कब क्लोज होने वाला है, सो दैट यू डिलीवर ऑन राइट वे. हायर स्टडीज प्लेज अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल. जो आउट ऑफ इंडिया जाना चाहते हैं, जाइए, अपने कोर्स को करिए, कम बैक टू इंडिया एंड डेवलप सच काइंड ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. वी नीड यू, वी नीड योर सपोर्ट. लेट्स कंटिन्यू टू मेक आवर स्टूडेंट फील गुड. Say that pharmacy is a truly noble profession. Future of pharmacy, second last slide है मेरी, the most important, future of pharmaceutical market. Rising demand for medicine is always bright. What is the future? कौन सा बोलता है कि future क्या रहेगा? Wellness का market is growing by double digit. Health reforms, we can say that health reforms, so many new medicines, molecules are there. Diabetic में भी there are more than 40 to 50 molecules are there. Gliptin, there are 17 gliptins are there. India में 6 or 7 gliptins है. Again, there are 8 to 9 gliptins are coming. There are so many insulin pen are there, garglings are there. So these are the point we can say that slowly and gradually health reforms plays a significant role. Diversified growth है, एक segment में growth नहीं है, सब जगह growth है. Advanced surgical devices are the very much important. AI integrated platform plays a significant role. Chronic and acute segment, all segment are now merged, and they are thinking for growing in that format, so that everybody and everything is be on streamline and consolidate model use करना चाहते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग जो पुराना मॉलिक्यूल उसको हटाइए, जो नया मॉलिक्यूल उसको ऐड करते जाइए, ग्रो करते जाइए. ऐसे there are more than 1000 molecule has launched from last 3 to 5 years. कुछ मॉलिक्यूल्स हमारे सब्जेक्ट्स में नहीं है. सो लर्न करिए, ग्रो करिए, सो दैट आप भी ग्रो करेंगे. इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है फ्यूचर में? राइजिंग डिमांड फॉर मेडिसिन, ब्राइट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. इंक्रीजिंग इनकम, health awareness and improving lifestyle. These are the three factors which I can assure that your future is really bright. सभी को पता है, आज देखिए कोविड में everybody is health aware, हाथ धो रहे हैं, बैठ रहे हैं, मास्क ला के जा रहे हैं. This kind of awareness is required, so that this awareness can really help to make pharma into the next level. Required एक और चीज का, skilled work. अभी मेरे लिए क्या है एज ए स्टूडेंट, स्किल्ड वर्कफोर्स रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा, हाई मैरिटल स्किल्स पीपल रिक्वायर्ड रहेंगे, टेक्निकल कॉम्पिटेंसीज. इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं, बेसिक चीज पूछेंगे, यू शुड रिप्लाई एंड यू शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट ऑल द पॉइंट्स, सो दैट यू पीपल कैन गेट द आंसर एंड अचीव द थिंग्स. सर्वोत्तम व्यक्ति वो नहीं जिन्होंने अवसरों का इंतजार किया, सर्वोत्तम व्यक्ति वो हैं जिन्होंने अवसरों को अपनाया, जीता और उसको सफल बनाया. नॉट गेटिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी, ग्रैबिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी प्लेज अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल. नो द सब्जेक्ट, नो योर स्किल्स. These are the top guns, we can say that the dream people जो फार्मा में बहुत अच्छा काम किए. मैं बोलूंगा these are the noble people of pharma. मिस्टर जुनेजा साहब मैनकाइंड के ओनर है, जगदीश सक्सेना है, अंजीज रेड्डी, डॉक्टर रेड्डी के, संप्रदा सिंह है, दिलीप सिंह सांघवी, these are the owner. आप भी ऐसे अपने रोल मॉडल बनाइए, उनके थिंकिंग पैटर्न को, बिहेवियर पैटर्न को फॉलो करिए, सो दैट आप भी ग्रो करेंगे और आने वाले समय में लोग भी आपको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे और ग्रो करेंगे. These are the basic point which I need to cover. Pharma is really noble profession. I wish everybody should learn, grow, earn, and they can be enjoy the journey of our pharma noble profession. Any question, any doubt? Anybody like to ask any question?
Yeah, hello, Sufi.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let me congratulate you that you have given excellent input through your this very lucid kind of presentation. And so there are so many questions. We generally, say in academics that more study, more queries. And since there are students who are understanding your this presentation, they have sent me certain queries in private.
Please,
And
please, sir.
so, first query, which I will, summarize. There are 3-4 questions,
Okay.
and which I would put like this.
Please, sir.
Yesterday in his 4th talk to the public, Honorable Prime Minister
Yes, sir.
said that let us be vocal to the local issues. Okay, if you have heard that talk,
I definitely, sir. Definitely.
it was the address to the nation. He said
True.
that vocal to the global,
True.
vocal to the local market precisely.
True.
Okay, so now in this changing situation of the COVID-19,
True.
definitely it is going to impact pharmaceutical industry also.
जी.
My question to you is that how Indian pharmaceutical industry, particularly with reference to the local market, is going to change in the due years of time. Can you please throw some light on that?
Definitely a very important and very valid question. Now India 80% market, especially API, dependent on China. The most important point that we are importing so many products from China and importing so many raw material. You can say that API raw material from the other countries. Now this is a time where we make it. There are so many. Last month, our honorable PM sir has given an authority to our Indian people to make their own API plant, to make own API raw material in our India, so that that local production can really help you to development of our employment of our Indian people first. Second point is that local, when we think about it, local brand means that Indian brand, you can say that now we are consuming Indian brand. So API market जो हम लोग का 80% जो वहां से सपोर्ट है, यू कैन से दैट हम लोग डिपेंडेंट हैं, अगर वो इंडिया में अगर ज्यादा नहीं 20 to 30% अगर स्टार्ट होता है अवर ओन प्रोडक्शन, own API plant, own chemical plant, I can say that employment generation can go high. In our presentation, I can say that skilled person is required nowadays to become local effective. अगर आपको local रहना है तो you should be effective, you should be competitive. First point. Second, the most important point है कि nowadays R&D plays a significant role. अर्लियर क्या था कि R&Ds में बहुत सारे कंपनियां इंडिया में आके इन्वेस्ट करती थी, यू कैन से दैट MNC, दे मेक अ फॉर्मुलेशन, वर्क इट आउट. नाउ in India, R&D plays a significant role. If you have think I want to make my career into research and development, my dear friend, in India now the scenario, you can say that robotic technology, advanced molecules, advanced procedures, so many technology, AI, different integrated platform is generated now in every company has started to thinking and working into that forum. So we as a student, what we do, we develop that kind of competency to grab the market. And if you're really efficient into the local area, you want to work into local place, Indian pharmaceutical market, you develop that competency to grab the things. And I can assure you that employment is definitely generated by double digit into pharmaceutical industry. It develop that competencies level and other things. Okay. Marketing.
Yeah. Please continue.
And in Indian pharmaceutical market, you know what? How many molecules are there? There are 27,000 molecules, 27,300 molecules, 27,300 molecules are there in India, and more than 1 lakh brands are there. If you think the local market in India, now Indian pharmaceutical company can get empowered to market in that fashion, so that our doctor can also use and consume. और एक इसका एडवांटेज भी रहेगा, ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम माइट भी हमारे कॉस्ट हम कंट्रोल कर पाएंगे. अभी तक क्या है, कॉस्ट कैन नॉट बी गेट कंट्रोल बाय आवरसेल्फ. चाइना माल देगा 1 लाख का एक कंटेनर आ रहा है, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट जो स्ट्रिप बन के आती है 50,000 60,000 की आएगी. तो उसको एक सिंगल यूनिट अगर टैबलेट में को लेना है डायबिटीज की तो 20 रुपए 30 रुपए. वी डू नॉट हैव कॉस्ट कंट्रोल. नाउ आफ्टर दैट लोकल एंड ऑल, you can say that manufactured our vendor from our vendors, cost control वो हमारे हाथ में रहेगा. तो cost controlling, employment, competencies level, expansions to R&D, production also increases because production बढ़ेगा. Local से अगर मेरे को करना है तो employment get generate and lot of opportunities and scope are there in our Indian market.
Okay, so Sufi, yes, as the Honorable Prime Minister said that,
yes,
for that talk he was talking about self-reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Yes, sir.
That is what slogan he has given, and that kind of spark he has generated among all of us, that we can become a self-reliant and we can become a superpower of the world. And as you mentioned that Indian pharma industry is largely dependent upon China for APIs and all that. So when I talk about Atmanirbharta, when I talk about self-reliance as far as Indian pharmaceutical industry is concerned,
true,
what I feel that there are always regulatory challenges Indian pharmaceutical industry is facing, particularly from the Western countries.
True.
In that situation, can you please guide our students the importance about the documentation part, the quality control part, quality assurance part, that is always a great concern in our country. Can you please throw some light on that?
Definitely. The first point that you're mentioning, that self-reliant. Yes, now it's time to self-reliant because India is not so far. 3rd rank in entire world in API global generic market. First point. Second thing is that in India, the population the workers, the skilled worker, I can say that the skilled worker is huge. First point. Second thing is regulatory. If you think that few plants, I can say that it's always be a USFDA approved plant. Few plants are it's under process. There are three type of plants are there: level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1, it's complete USFDA approved, which follow the entire complete regulatory market. Means they are having a process oriented, complete SOP oriented. They're not being single diversified. Second and third level, where you can say that regulatory always be very stringent process for validating and manufacture the product. Regulatory plays a very significant role. Documentation plays a significant role. Now it's time, if you really want to become a self-reliant, integrated platform plays a significant role. Integrated platform means all departments are connected through one platform. SAP example, every company is having a SAP model, but still there is so many lacuna and deficiencies are there. Department are not integrated. If you really follow the regulatory guideline, we must having that integrated model so that our product can manufactured in thoroughly and produce the qualitative first. And the second thing is that there are so many governing bodies which are continuously working to make the plant you can say that to scale up model point of view, so that they can grow, their production house can grow. They identify certain places where this regulatory having certain norms, SOPs, where company can manufacture the drug first at low cost, and they follow the process to minimizes the air. I can say that regulatory, there are 4-5 strong regulatory bodies are there which are continuously working. Being a student, now you have an opportunity to enter into those era, enter into those integrated model where you scale up the things in right way on right hands. So you are the young buddies, you are the young pharmacists, your help are always be useful, but develop that kind of integrated model to utilizing and executing on right way and right path.
Okay. So in the changing situation, I think marketing is also going to be changed now. You know,
yes,
presently the medical reps go to the doctors personally, one-on-one kind of content. Now,
True.
what is, in your opinion, what will be the changes taking place in the marketing of the marketing of the medicines?
Marketing place. First thing is definitely very rightly said, because I am also with a part of marketing, that focused approach plays a significant role. Earlier the companies are working that doctor se milenge to business aayega, milne ke liye force karenge. Now they are also having a structural pattern of working. First, using the technology. पहला मीटिंग हम लोग वेबिनार में करेंगे. डॉक्टर से मिलने के लिए we have set of geographical places where I used to go there, meet there. By using technology, web यूज करेंगे, टैब यूज करेंगे, प्रिंटिंग मटेरियल हम ज्यादा यूज नहीं करेंगे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकंड पॉइंट है कि we can giving them maximum in scientific information to my targeted doctors, so the doctor can use it and positioning my brand, and we can also focusing and make the brand my available. So with the help of technological model, with the help of webinar approach, with the help of a small CMEs for development of better clinical outcome, understanding of customer point of view, doing lot of surveys so that my customer can get, means organization get more insight about the customer first. Second part, for the MR perspective, earlier company is not having so much time and conduct regular training into a head office, and but natural the cost is also involved into it. Nowadays webinar plays a very significant role. People are from Bihar, Rajasthan or Chhattisgarh, at one room, one click they start and giving training. So what is the feedback, how you go, what you say, how you impress your customer. So training plays a significant role with the help of technology. So customer also we can be more on customer centric now, कि इसको बोलना कैसा है, बताना कैसा है, उसकी नीड क्या है, डॉक्टर का थेरेपी क्या है. जैसे फिजिशियन है, फिजिशियन में डायबिटिक के पेशेंट जाता है तो डायबिटिक में टाइप 1 है, टाइप 2 है, ड्रग लिखता है कि इंसुलिन लिखता है, ड्रग लिखता है, ड्रग में क्या लिखता है, ग्लिमिप्राइड कॉम्बिनेशन लिखता है कि मेटफॉर्मिन कॉम्बिनेशन लिखता है कि ट्रिपल कॉम्बिनेशन, 4 combinations, because everything is now more on customer centric, so they can immediately upload the data on regular basis, and at the same time we can get the right data. Our head office team can give more training about the people, so that to the point, focused approach, structural pattern, so that marketing also consolidate. बहुत सारा चीजें नहीं लाना है, जो लाना है मेरे को specific way में काम करना है. All MNCs are doing like this only. जितने उन लोगों ने generic molecule लाया था, GSK बोलिए, Sanofi बोलिए, और our winder, they are working for the consolidated model, means मेरे को research product पे ही काम करना है. So everybody is have defined it कि नहीं मेरा ये segment है, मेरे को इसी में काम करना है.
Yeah. And I feel, apart from what points you have told, I
True.
feel that this particular kind of domain is going to become more digital now, wherein one-to-one contact probably will be reduced, and
True.
digital contacts, digital marketing will take a boost in pharmaceutical industry as well. That is what
Definitely.
my personal opinion is there. Now,
Definitely, sir.
Sufi,
Yes.
we will have more two minutes, and
Definitely,
then we will conclude. Just in the last, as the last question,
Yes,
can
sir.
you just tell us, all the students, that what are the new opportunities have been created in the pharma industry? See,
Okay.
whatever you have shown, they are really fantastic opportunities you have shown, no doubt about it. So I term many of them as a conventional kind of opportunities for a B.Pharm and M.Pharm graduate,
Okay.
right? But
Okay.
what are the new opportunities you are seeing in view of the present pandemic? In 2 minutes, can you explain us?
Definitely, there are so many multiple opportunities are there. First, this artificial intelligence means all the platform are integrated. Artificial intelligence means digital digitalization into pharmaceutical world. First, digitalization means minimizes the maximizes the production. जो भी मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ, all are integrated. One click में सारी चीजें होना चाहिए. डॉक्यूमेंट बोलिए, प्रोसेस बोलिए, प्रोक्यूरमेंट बोलिए, वन क्लिक में मेरे को पता चलना चाहिए, इस बैच का पूरा रिकॉर्ड मेरे को मिल जाना चाहिए. पहली चीज. So AI plays a significant role. Artificial intelligence plays a significant role. First thing. Second is devices. The market, you can say that prosthetic engineering plays a very significant role. TKR, total knee replacement, hip replacement, heart surgeries. Nowadays, people are undergone with so many devices, artificial devices. You can say the prosthetic engineering, different kind of advanced surgicals. These are the upcoming market, and Indian government are really welcoming them, because जो चल नहीं सकते हैं, बैठ नहीं सकते हैं, झुक नहीं सकते हैं, सोच मतलब independently walk नहीं कर सकते हैं, that kind of devices market are upcoming and booming market. Second, third is the insulin market. You can say that chronic segment may be modernization of chronic segment plays a very significant, like insulin plays a very significant role. So insulin mein insulin pen. So device and drug both are you can say that compact and give the to the patients. So that kind of market is one more market. We can say that chronic modernized market. तो क्रोनिक मॉडर्नाइज मार्केट में ट्रेडिशनल जैसा नहीं है, एक दो ले लो. अभी क्या है, मॉडर्नाइज मार्केट में एक टैबलेट है 2 सेकंड में काम करेगी, एक टैबलेट है 4 घंटा चलेगी. सस्टेन रिलीज, यू कैन से दैट प्रोलॉन्ग रिलीज. दिस काइंड ऑफ ड्रग इज रियली यूजफुल. एंड इसमें एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये मैं बोलूंगा दैट फार्मास्यूटिकल पैकेजिंग प्लेज अ वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट रोल. नाउअडेज पैकेजिंग डिसाइडेड कि कैसा दिखता है, लुक, फील एंड किस तरीके से उसका वर्क रहेगा. दूसरा उसके बाद है वेलनेस मार्केट प्लेस. कल तक क्या था, जब बीमारी होगी तब जाऊंगा. अब क्या होगा, आने वाले समय वेलनेस मार्केट डबल डिजिट से ग्रो कर रहा है. इसका वॉल्यूम है मोर देन 30,000 करोड़ आज के डेट में. तो वेलनेस प्लेज अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल. होने से पहले मेरे को खाना है, मेरी इम्यूनिटी को डेवलप करना है, लुक, फील, गेटअप अच्छा होना चाहिए. कॉस्मोस्यूटिकल्स मार्केट इज आल्सो वेरी अपकमिंग मार्केट नाउअडेज. अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहता है, कॉस्मोस्यूटिकल्स प्लेज अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल, न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल प्लेज अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस प्लेज अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल, digitalization, devices, diversified growth into the documentations area into through our help of digitalization. And last but not least, antibiotic market, because in antibiotic बहुत सारे मॉलिक्यूल ओल्ड हो चुके हैं. अब न्यू जो मॉलिक्यूल्स आ रहे हैं, जैसे कैसोफंगिन हो गया, कैसोफंगिन, माइकाफंगिन, एडाफंगिन, फिर you can say that cardiovascular, peripheral vascular diseases पे जो new molecules आ रहे हैं, they stand like anything. उनके results, उनका substitutions, उनका delivery, contact is absolutely very good. So higher antibiotic, we can say the parental antibiotic, parental nutrition, nutraceutical, artificial intelligence, advanced surgicals, devices. These are the common, you can say that upcoming markets, and all market plays a significant role because rising demand of medicines is high, and I want that every Indian should get benefited for the better desired clinical outcome and the success rate.
Okay, that's great. So you mean to say that pharma has a fantastic future, and
Absolutely.
the students who have taken admission to the pharmacy colleges and the pharmacy courses are in the right board, and they are going to really fly into their career, right?
डेफिनेटली. सर, रखने से पहले मैं एक चीज बोलूंगा जो मैं हमेशा फॉलो करता हूँ. पढ़े लिखे होने से अच्छा है पढ़ते लिखते रहना. पढ़े लिखे होने से अच्छा है पढ़ते लिखते रहना. अनपढ़ वो नहीं जो पढ़ नहीं पाते. अनपढ़ वो नहीं है जो पढ़ नहीं पाते. अनपढ़ वो हैं जो सीखना नहीं चाहते. सो कीप अप लर्निंग हाई, लेट्स मोमेंटम हाई, ग्रैब द थिंग्स and attract the things, looking for the opportunity, grabbing for the opportunity, so that we together make our nation healthy and wealthy.
That's really great inputs from you, Mr. Sufi Ayaz, and we really are thankful to you. On behalf of D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy, I express my deep gratitude to you.
Sir,
Thanks
I'm
a lot.
really thankful, Rakesh Somani sir, who has given me a platform to share my eyes and experience. It's my pride and pleasure to be associated with the D.Y. Patil University and College, School of Pharmacy. I thanks to each one of you participants who has been watching me, listening me. I'm really thankful. I hope आप अपने घर में सुरक्षित रहें, अच्छे रहें, stay safe, and I'm sure I'm always with you. My contact number is always there on my screen. So stay connected. Thank you, Somani sir, and entire team.
Just before we close down, there is an announcement for the participants that in our knowledge yajna, the next talk, next webinar is scheduled on 15th May at the same time, that is 4 p.m. And Mr. Sagar Chandani, who is going to talk about entrepreneurship opportunities and entrepreneurship skills into pharmaceutical industry. So those who wish to have their own business in future, this particular talk is going to help a lot to them. So thanks a lot for to all the participants, and once again to Sufi Ayaz, thank you.
My pleasure
Let's
to be
have
a part of your team, sir. Thank you
Let's
so much,
meet
sir.
on 15th May, 4 p.m.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thanks.